Hello guys, I got a great machine in front of me. This is a Sharp MX 4070N multifunction color copier, printer, and scanner. This is one of Sharp's newest machines. It was repoed this morning. It just came in this morning. It's got a super low copy count. I'll show you that in just a second. This machine comes equipped with the third option paper cassette that you see there in the bottom. So you now have 3 universal paper size cassettes, all 3 up to 12 by 18, which is really nice. Any size you want up to 12 by 18. Document feeder is super fast. It will scan up to 200 pages per minute. It's a dual scan document feeder. It will scan both sides of the document in just one single pat. So for those of you who do a lot of double-sided scanning, this is a dream. This is a great document feeder. You can stack up to 150 original sheets on top. So let me go ahead and show you. It's got a beautiful display, as you can see. Feels like a tablet. Let me show you the meter count on this machine. This machine is practically brand new. It's only got 6,000 copies total. The breakdown is only 3,000 in color and 2,000 in black and white. So for those of you looking to save a good amount of money and get a machine that's, in my opinion, brand new, this is your chance. We don't get them in that often. Again, it's got a beautiful display. Here you go. Document feeder. Look at this. This machine looks like it hasn't even been used. Okay, front door. Let me try to do this with one hand. You got your 4 toner cartridges, yellow, magenta, cyan, and black. You got your waste toner bottle there. Here's the front of the machine. Here's the left side of the machine. There's nothing wrong with this machine. It is in perfect condition. Let me swing on by this way to look at the right side of the machine. There you go. There's your bypass tray right here, which looks like it's never even been used, which actually hasn't been used. There you go. And here's the inside of the machine. Look at this. And we haven't even cleaned this machine yet. Look at that. Look how clean that thing is. There's really nothing to clean, but we still wipe down the machine. We still go through the firmware, make sure it's all up to date, which I'm pretty sure it is. It's one of the newest machines out, but we still go through that process. So anyhow, this is your chance to get a machine that's practically brand new at a huge discount. So give us a call. You can visit us online at copyfaxprinter.com. And on the bottom right corner of our website, we have a small little chat widget. You can speak to us direct. Thank you for watching.